Good morning, Don Lane, Fraser Valley News, your news update for this Tuesday, January the 29th, and a couple of health issues that we are keeping track of. BC Centre for Disease Control has put out a health warning for any product that was bought in Surrey from A1 Herbal Ayurvedic Clinic Limited. And they are concerned about poisoning from any of their products. There has been one case of one person being hurt by the product, and this place has been shut down. If you bought anything there, you're asked to discard it or get a hold of BC Centre for Disease Control or Fraser Health. Speaking of which, Fraser Valley News has learned follow-up to the story on the fake Xanax that has hit the streets, and there is a concern for overdoses. We are also been told anonymously by a number of people in the recovery area that there is carfentanil, also a new batch, that is in and around the Fraser Valley, which correlates to a number of people saying that since Welfare Wednesday, a lot of overdoses in the valley. So we're keeping track of that story. The illicit overdose numbers for December should be released by the BC Coroner in the next day or so. On a far lighter note, SPCA has a really cool program on how to find a dog trainer, and all the dog whisperer jokes aside, we have that information up on FVN, FraserValleyNewsNetwork.com, as well as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and on Instagram. Chilliwack Search and Rescue had to do a couple of quick ins and outs just to get a couple of people out of trouble, including Othello tunnels. This is literally hours after they gave out 3 Lifetime Achievement Awards. So Search and Rescue SAR has been real busy. Armstrong Metal Fest, if you want to get involved in the 2019 show up in Armstrong, the advance tickets are on sale until Friday, February the 1st. Todd, speaking of country music, will be dropping his new album in a listening party at Corky's on April the 6th. All that information up on FVN. And the City of Surrey releasing the 3rd Annual Surrey Road Survey Comprehensive Study for Transportation Investment. And this is raising a few eyebrows. There are some people in New Westminster that are not too happy about a 6-lane Patello Bridge because, of course, all the traffic would go northbound from Surrey right into New West. And the concern now, on the heels rather, of Vancouver Mayor Kennedy Stewart wanting more money for a SkyTrain subway extension from Arbutus all the way out to UBC. And UBC has asked or said that they would pay for some part of it. And, of course, that brings up all the talk about why can't we get LRT or SkyTrain or something all the way out to the Fraser Valley. It's called critical mass. It's just not enough people to justify spending the billions of dollars, but that's a story unto itself. Abbotsford School Board is going to be following the lead of Chilliwack School Board, and starting in February, will be televising live on stream and on the web their school board meetings. The upside for Abbey is they're not as controversial as, say, the Chilliwack School Board meetings. Hint, hint, if you haven't been following the Soji anti-Soji debate in Chilliwack. That's what we've got so far, and we will be keeping you up to date on a few other stories as we roll along during the day. It's turning into a busy Tuesday, a gorgeous day today, another day of sunshine. We are expecting rain at the end of the week, but it still beats what's happening back east in Ontario and New England, and definitely on the prairies with the cold. Have yourself a great day. Don Lane, Fraser Valley News.